Hi, I'm Geraldine Cook, and I look forward to seeing you at the 2022 NGH Annual Convention and Educational Conference live in Marlborough, Massachusetts, where I will be one of the presenters. Please join me for the nuts and bolts of creating a basic workshop. This presentation is designed to motivate and help you construct your own basic workshop to grow your business and your client list. You will learn how to bring your own uniqueness into your workshops and turn your slides into teachable moments. Bring your pen, a notebook, and be ready to walk away with lots of creative thoughts and a basic outline for your first workshop. Here are a couple of the topics that I will be covering: where to research for your workshops, blueprints for different audiences, and how to turn your PowerPoint slides into coaching tools for your workshops. This presentation is designed to give you the confidence to bring your passions to others as you grow your business. I look forward to meeting you at the NGH convention.